Hello, English learners. Welcome to another lesson on Everyday English. This is Comprehensible Input. What is comprehensible input? It is a great way to learn a new language. You look at words and you listen to them. You understand everything. You learn English naturally, without a lot of effort. Today, we will talk about a house. We will learn the names of many rooms and things in a house. Please look and listen very carefully. Let's start our new lesson. This is a house. A house is where a family lives. A house has a door. The door is for coming in. The door is for going out. A house has windows. The windows are made of glass. The windows let in the light. A house has a roof. The roof is on top of the house. The roof protects the house from rain. A house has many rooms. A room is a part of the house. Some houses have a front yard. The front yard is outside the house. It can have green grass. This is the living room. The living room is a big room. In the living room, we sit on the sofa. We watch TV. We talk with our family in the living room. This is the kitchen. The kitchen is a room for cooking. In the kitchen, there is a stove. We use the stove to cook food. In the kitchen, there is a refrigerator. The refrigerator is cold. This is the dining room. The dining room is a room for eating. The dining room has a table and chairs. We eat our food at the table. This is the bedroom. The bedroom is a room for sleeping. The bedroom has a bed. My bed is soft. I sleep in my bed. This is the bathroom. The bathroom is a room for washing. In the bathroom, there is a shower. I take a shower. I wash my hands. The bathroom has a toilet. Some houses have a second floor. We use the stairs to go up and down. In the bedroom, there is a closet. A closet is a big space for our clothes. In the kitchen, there are cabinets. We put our plates and cups in the cabinets. Outside the house, there is a backyard. The backyard is behind the house. We can play in the backyard. There is a fence around the backyard. The fence is tall. Thank you for learning about the house with me. That was a great lesson about the house. We hope you enjoyed it and learned many new words. Remember, listening to English is a fantastic way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our lessons. If you liked this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Everyday English for more great lessons, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for learning with us, and we will see you in the next video.